Systems set you free. G'day folks, Dan here with another quick tip for you. Now, as a creative, the thought of creating systems and processes literally makes me want to poke sticks in my eyes, or it did. The thing is, systems and processes actually set you free. They actually allow you to create more space and more time in order to be creative. I'm working with a client just now, and he is about to create 100 different systems in his business. And when he told me that, I was like, oh my goodness, we need to kind of peel that back. You can do it in stages. And the greatest thing is you can get other people to build the systems for you, your team, for example. The advantage of systems and processes: when something needs to be repeated, instead of you being the sole person where someone has to come and ask, how do we do this? You simply follow the system. You create it once and it gets repeated. That's all, folks. Talk soon.